Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to deep fake your face on a celebrity, folks. Let's say you want to be someone like Tom Cruise or any other celebrity for that matter, folks. If so, you come to the right place. I'm gonna show you an app which you can get from the Google Play Store and the App Store on Apple, and you can do this too. You put your face on the celebrity. It's really cool. It's by far the weirdest app I've ever come across, folks. It's just awesome, folks. Right, guys, so with all that being said, let's get to it.
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizard's channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And join his Telegram group. But if you want to join the Telegram group, make sure you have a picture icon and read the rules.
Okay, guys. But before I show you the app, I'm gonna show you some examples that I've done. I've put my face on some celebrities, folks. Some you may recognize, folks. So enjoy. Guys, so I've turned over to my phone and hopefully you guys can hear me okay and the quality's decent. First off, we're gonna go to our store, in my case the Google Play Store, but yours may be in the Apple Store. Open that up, and in the search field just type in Reface, and that's one that app's called Reface. All you're gonna do is click search, and this is it, and that's, you can see it's at 15 million plus downloads, so you know this is a very popular app, folks. Okay, so we're gonna install it, and then we're gonna open it up. Click open, and this app is absolutely amazing, folks. It, like I said, puts your face on the celebrity, folks, as you can see just here. So I'm gonna click on get started, take a selfie or upload from gallery. So I'm gonna upload from gallery and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the photo I took accidentally is in my bathroom. And as you can see, is pretty good. I recommend you do a serious face for the best experience. Aside the one when I was mining, and that didn't turn out really good. So I advise you to put on a serious face. To confirm. Just noting up. And I'll ask you, do you want to start a free sell for the... Well, I don't want that, so I'm gonna click the... was. So as you can see, there is a note here. You got the good, the bad, and the ugly. You got Gundam. All sorts. David Bowie. Penumbra. Like you saw just a minute ago. Sunday, another one you saw a few minutes ago. Okay, so let's do Pirates of the Caribbean on my face. And let's see how that turns out, folks. And as you can see, that is pretty funny. Let me turn the sound up. As you can see, is they faked the face onto Sonny Depp's face, and that makes it look really cool and real and well, folks. So let's do Dr. Evil. And you can add faces, different faces as well, folks. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. And as you can see, I'm Dr. Evil. I'm mini me now. So you can really have some flexibility when this application pretty much put whatever face you want on whatever celebrity you want, and it will work, folks. As I mentioned, guys, you can add different faces as well. Say you want one of your family members' faces instead of just yours. Well, if you see on every clip there's a little circle of your faces right there, if you click on that, it'll say Sue's face. You can either take a new photo by taking it from the camera, or taking it from another photo you've took in the past from the gallery. Okay, so let me go to search. Let me type in Tom Hanks. Tom Hanks videos. Yeah, we'll put that one on. For Scump, Sue's my face, Nick Ree face. This is easy as that, folks. All you gotta do is upload it to your Reface app, and then the reface and you're good to go, folks. And the full disclaimer, it does have to be one face only in the actual photograph, folks. And as you can see, I'm Forrest Gump now. So if I go to the home screen, the mask is all you saw on the beginning as well. Danny as well from Greece. Ace Van Suren boosting this do not. Now you can see that does look pretty funny, folks. So this is the weirdest app I've ever seen on the Google Play Store, folks, because when I discovered it like about 6 months ago, I thought it was hilarious. Now I just think it's weird and hilarious, folks. So as you see, Austin Powers. Let's see and do a variety. Let's do Shrek for the last one. So let's do that one. Really nice. Maybe not to load up. Hopefully I do sound okay on this software. And as you see, I'm now Shrek. No. Like I said, this app is really weird. And also you can save it if you want to. And also share it to your Instagram, your Twitter, etc. And they'll all have a good suckle of it. Okay. Back over to the computer. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Bit of a weird one. If you have, please don't forget to
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizards channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And join his Telegram group. But if you want to join the Telegram group, make sure you have a picture icon to read.
Okay guys, catch ya on the next video. Peace.